Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram repost button missing. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram application and then log into your account. Once logged in, if you're not seeing the repost button, the most common reason is that the creator has disabled sharing or reposting their reel. In that case, there's nothing you can do. Instagram will simply not show the repost button. But if the creator has allowed reposting, you should see the repost button right over here and inside the reel as well. But if it's still missing, make sure your app is fully updated. Head back to your home screen, open up your app store. Inside here, simply search for Instagram. And just like that, if this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen. And now next, you need to make sure sharing is enabled in your account. Simply tap on your profile icon, then tap on the tree line icon. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on sharing and reuse button right over here, and make sure post and reel sharing to story is turned on. Once these options are enabled, the repost button should appear on your post and reels that allow sharing. That's it. That is how you can fix Instagram repost button missing issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.